Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to send high quality video on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now, to send high quality video on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp and make sure that the video which you want to send on WhatsApp is on the highest quality possible. And with that being done, on the video side, on the interface of WhatsApp, after opening it, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the three dotted icon available for us. Tap on that three dotted icon and this kind of drop down menu will appear where you can see the settings option available for us. Just below the start messages, tap on settings, and on this interface you can see the storage and data option available for us. Just above the language, tap on storage and data, and you can see there is the media auto download option for us, and there are three options saying where it says the when using mobile data, when connected on Wi-Fi, and when roaming. So you'll be required to turn off the video while using the mobile data. So I've turned it off already. So tap on OK and only tap on when connected on Wi-Fi, and we'll enable your video as well. With that being done, guys, when you are using the mobile data, it will be of less data, so because you are on mobile data, and when you're connected on Wi-Fi, your download and your upload will be on highest speed possible because of the Wi-Fi. And with that being done, guys, whenever you send or upload or download a video, after making sure your videos, audio and photos are all over here, your videos will be sent also on high quality as well as downloaded on high quality. And there, guys, this is how to send high quality video on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.